G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. This piece has not been split. You can see where the colour / opal bar is. So what we normally do is get a saw blade, put a saw through it, go down about that far, a thin blade, and then gently prise it apart, and usually it breaks along the opal line. So there's the fire in there, see some here, not so much down here, but a little bit here. This side's got this cavity that goes in there. But all in all, it's a bit of a promise for a stone there. And then there's this other seam up the back here, which hasn't got a lot of fire in it, but you never know with this material. It came off a really big boulder and it's been producing little pockets of fire throughout the seams. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.